Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, looking at the box, you got the old school Air Jordan 3 box. So what we have is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Chlorophyll. Now, this shoe drew inspiration from what it was, the Nike Air Trainer 1 that was linked to John McEnroe. Now, this one of Tinker Hatfield's creations. You know what I'm saying? So they didn't switch the colors up. As you can see, you got the combination of light and dark gray. You got the white and black throughout. You got the light green accents on the eyelets, on the heel, and on the tongue. Now, my thoughts on the sneaker, I mean, it's an okay shoe. I mean, it's nothing big to me, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just doing a quick review on it, man, giving y'all a look at the shoe, man, and I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here, bro. It's Friday. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get my drink on, you know what I mean? And move on to the next chapter, man. You see you got the green hang tag. You got the sail along the bottom. You got the white along the tongue. Pretty plain, man. You know, straightforward. You know, it is what it is, man. That's the medial side. There's the front. Got the white laces. I mean, that's pretty much it, man. Now, looking at the other shoe, everything is the same. There's no difference between the two. I mean, it is what it is, man. Either you're a fan of these or you're not. On the inside, you got the green insole. No, you can't see it on here, but it is what it is, man. You know, so like I say, man, either you're a fan of these or you're not, man. You know what I'm saying? It's an Air Jordan 3, different colorway. Now, these release on, what is it, November the 10th? It was supposed to release October the 10th, but they pushed it back, so to say. So it's releasing on November the 10th. For a price of $190. Is it worth it? I don't know. You tell me. Let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think, man. You're feeling them, you're not. You're gonna pass. It's an easy pass. It's a must cop. Let me know what's up, man. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel too, man. You know, share a video, like a video, comment. You know what I'm saying? Put your people on my channel, man, because we coming straightforward. We're gonna give you the review. We ain't gonna play around, none of that. We're gonna get in and we're gonna get out of here. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Follow us on Instagram at PellersAv504. And I'ma holler back.